Okay, so this is Python A lesson 1, the print command and operators. Alright, so in Python, we can use the print command to essentially print things in the shell. So to use the print command, we're simply just going to type in print space parentheses, and then we're going to close it off the parentheses. Now, you can do different things with the print command. For instance, we could print a variable, let's just say x, and we haven't defined x, so it wouldn't really work. But today we're just gonna state things in our shell. So we want to print hello world, and we're gonna close it off with quotation marks. That's the syntax for the print command in this situation. And now if we hit enter, it should be hello world. Okay, so we did that part right. We can also use basic operators in Python. These operators can be used to perform calculations. The four operators are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, just like old school regular math. Alright, so for this example, I'm going to be using 4. If I add 4 plus 4, and I know it's 8, but if you wanted to do it in Python, 4, and then plus, and then 4, hit enter, 8. What about 5 minus 4? 5, and we type it in the minus, and 4. So 5 subtract 4 from 5, that's 1. Okay. Now, what about 4 times 4? So most people would be like, all right, let's just type in 4 times 4, but wait, x is a character. How does Python differentiate from if I mean x to be a variable, a character, or multiplications? And Python can't do that. So the multiplication symbol is actually this, the asterisk. Now, on a computer, on the keyboard, you're going to type in Shift 8 to get the symbol here. 4 times 4, 16. There we go. What about 4 divided by 4? Again, there is no division symbol anywhere. It's not like the X where it can mean multiple things, but there is no division symbol. So we have to treat it kind of like a fraction. 4 slash 4. That should be equal to 1, 1.0. Yeah. Let's just say I want to use parentheses to multiply. Let's try it out. 3 times 4. That should be equal to 12, right? We got an error. So Python can't tell that you're trying to multiply. There's no indication. The asterisk is missing. Now what if I do 3 asterisk parentheses 4? 12. Okay. So you need the asterisk for multiplication, and PEMDAS is still very much a thing in Python. So to bypass PEMDAS, so let's just say we have 9 divided by 5 plus 4. What if I want this to be 9 divided by 9 to equal 1? I want this to equal 1. That's not 1. And the reason is, PEMDAS is very much still a thing in the Python shell. The rules of PEMDAS still apply, so 9 will divide by 5 before the 4 is added. To bypass this, we're going to use our old friend, parentheses. This doesn't really break PEMDAS in a way, but it changes it so that 9 will still divide by this value first, but now 4 is added in. It's included. And we got 1. Alright, this concludes our lesson on the print command and operators. I'll see you guys next time.